Friends, you have to start with practice set 1.2. Question number 2, sub question 5. Question number 2, sub question 5. Two equations are, two simultaneous equations are 5x 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7 and 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. You have to solve these equations by the graphical method. So you have to prepare the chart. The chart is for this equation, the chart is for this equation. X coordinate, y coordinate and the coordinate of the point xy. Then you have to consider the values of the x, you have to find out the values of the y. Here also you have to consider the values of the x and you have to find out the values of the y. I will consider first of all the values of x as minus 1. If x is equal to minus 1, you have to put this value in this equation is x is equal to minus 1. 3 multiplied by minus 1 minus 4y is equal to 7. So 3 ones are 3. If one number is positive, another one is negative, the product is negative. So minus 3 will come. Minus 3 minus 4y is equal to 7. You have to transpose this 7 in this side and 4y this side because you have to collect the numeric terms together. Minus 3 plus 7 is equal to 4y. Minus 3 plus 7 is equal to 4 is equal to 4y. You have to find out the value of y. You have to transpose this 4 in this side, multiplied by 4 becomes divided by 4. Y is equal to 1 will come. And coordinate of this point will come minus 1, 1. Then if I will consider the value of x as 0, at that time value of y will come 1.75. Because this 7 upon 4 is equal to 1.75 and 1.75 is equivalent to 1.8. So I will consider this value as 1.8. So this coordinate will be 0 and 1.8. Then third point I will consider as 3. When I will consider value of x as 3, I will put this value of x as 3 in the equation 1. That time I will get the value of y as 4 and coordinate of this point will be 3, 4. Then you have to come to the second equation. In the second equation, same as the first equation, you have to consider the values of the x as 2 first. After that x is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 2. If x is equal to 2, at that time y is equal to 5 will come. If x is equal to 0, that time y is equal to 0 will come. Coordinate of this point will be 2, 5. This will come 0, 0. If x is equal to minus 2, you will consider. You have to put x is equal to minus 2 in this equation. After solving the equation, y is equal to minus 5 will come. And coordinate of this point will be minus 2, minus 5. Everybody understand? In this way, you have to consider the values of the x and you have to find out the values of the y in this manner. I think you understand these things. Then next thing is that, next part is that you have to plot the graph. If you want to plot the graph, this is the y coordinate, this is the x coordinate. You have to write the scale on both the axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On the both the axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Then step by step you have to plot this point on the graph. First point is minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1. Minus 1, 1. This point will come here. Minus 1, 1. Second point is 0, 1.8. Second point is 0, 1.8. 0, 1.8 point will come here. And third point will be 2, 5. This point will come here. And you have to, third point will be 3, 4. 3, 4 will come here. Then you have to plot this line like this. This is the first line. First point is minus 1, 1. Second point is 0, 1.8. And third point is 3, 4. Then in the same manner, you have to plot this line, graph of this line. At that time, first point is 2, 5. 2, 5 point will come here. Second point is 0, 0. Second point 0, 0 will come here. In the origin, x coordinate is also 0, y coordinate is also 0. And third point is minus 2, minus 5. Minus 2, minus 5. X coordinate is minus 2 and y coordinate is minus 5. This point will come here. You have to plot this line like this. The point of intersection of both the line is the solution of the given equation. So point of intersection is this point. You have to draw the perpendicular to the x-axis. The coordinate of the x-axis is 1 and coordinate of the y-axis is 2.5. 2.5. Here 2.5 will come. In your graph you will observe this as 2.5 properly. Then The point of intersection is the solution. This is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate. Therefore, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2.5 are the solutions of the given simultaneous equation. In this way, you have to solve this example. Friends, I already solved the one short example and three other example. Remaining example you have to solve at home. So this is the homework. Remaining example you have to solve at home in the classwork notebook. All of you understand? Thank you.